welcome to today's video. I'm Lisa from Down to Earth Gardening and Design, and today is mulching day. So you may recognize this garden from some other videos. This is my daughter Hannah's house and beautiful cottage garden, or we also call it sensory garden here. So you may see Hannah and the kids in the video helping, but I want to give you some tips on how to prep for mulching. So we love mulch. We always get a natural color mulch, fine ground, and our goal is to put on 1 to 2 inches of mulch because that's really best for weed control and to help out with some good water retention. So mulch is not just for looks. So just some tips on how we prep, and then you're probably going to see us out here working, and we'd like to show you the finished results. Okay, so we're wrapping it up. We have all the mulch on, and now we just have to rake it a little bit, even it out. And then because we have amendments down, Hannah's probably going to do a little bit of hand watering here. So today's video was a lot of work, but wow, what a transformation. And I really wanted you to see the transformation. I know Hannah just said, don't worry about the mulch being perfect because the kids are going to be out here. But remember, a garden is to enjoy. We should all be able to enjoy it and play in it and have fun. That's what it's about. So today's video was fun. It was more about preparation, and I hope that I helped all of you at home. Just some tips on getting ready for your mulch and seeing Hannah's garden, the transformation, because you're going to see this garden in a lot more videos. Thank you again for joining us, and if you like the video, please go ahead and tap like and hit subscribe to our channel because we love gardening and there's lots more gardening coming your way.